Aromatherapy diffuser. A device that spreads essential oils in the air. The aromatherapy diffuser filled the room with a calming scent. Body wrap. A spa treatment where the body is wrapped in warm cloths or materials. The seaweed body wrap detoxified my skin. Candles. Candles used to create a relaxing atmosphere. The soft glow of candles made the room feel peaceful. Essential oils. Concentrated plant extracts used for aromatherapy. The room smelled of essential oils like eucalyptus and peppermint. Exfoliating scrub. A scrub used to remove dead skin cells. The exfoliating scrub left my skin smooth and refreshed. Face cradle. The padded support for the face on a massage table. The face cradle made lying down much more comfortable. Herbal compress. A cloth pouch filled with herbs, heated for massage therapy. The herbal compress smelled wonderful and eased my muscle pain. Hot stones. Heated stones used to relax tight muscles during therapy. The therapist placed hot stones on my back to relieve tension. Massage chair. A chair designed for short or quick massage sessions. I had a relaxing 15-minute massage in the massage chair. Massage lotion. Lotion used for smooth, gentle massage strokes. The therapist applied a cooling massage lotion for muscle relief. Massage oil. Oil used to reduce friction and relax muscles. The lavender massage oil helped me feel calm. Massage roller. A handheld tool used to ease muscle tension. The therapist used a massage roller on my legs. Massage table. A special table where clients lie during the massage. The therapist adjusted the massage table for comfort. Massage therapist. A professional trained to give massages. The massage therapist specialized in deep tissue techniques. Music player. A device playing soothing music during sessions. The music player played ocean waves to help me relax. Pressure point. Specific spots targeted to relieve tension and pain. The therapist focused on my pressure points to release stress. Relaxation room. A quiet space for clients to rest before or after sessions. I enjoyed tea in the relaxation room after my massage. Steam room. A heated room with steam to relax muscles before or after massage. I spent 10 minutes in the steam room before my session. Thermal blanket. A blanket that keeps the client warm during a massage. She covered me with a thermal blanket to keep me cozy. Towel warmer. A device that keeps towels warm for client comfort. The warm towel felt soothing on my shoulders.